7 Best Whiskies. Some things simply taste better with a kiss of smoke. Ask any Scotch enthusiast, and they will undoubtedly tell you that whiskey also belongs on that list. Whiskey is always appropriate for any occasion. Whiskey is an excellent cocktail companion, and its widespread availability has made it the go-to drink for many a liquor connoisseur. The third Saturday in May is World Whisky Day, where people all over the globe celebrate their favorite aged spirit. In this video, we will give you a review of the 7 best whiskies. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. The first whiskey on our list of the 7 best whiskies is Spaben. Spaben Scotch whiskey is easy to drink and is far more complex than its price tag suggests. Its entire menu is mellow and moreish, with a satisfying aftertaste. Light flavors make for a strong choice that is reasonably priced for everyone. If you want a pleasant whiskey without spending a lot of money, try Spaben's BradanOrach. Expect notes of green apple, honey, lemon, and vanilla, and it's a very complex drink with a lot of depth for the price. The next whiskey on our list is Highland Park. Highland Park is a brand with a distinct personality and edge that shines through in everything from its ferocious bottle designs to the fierce taste. It is well known for its long line of successful bottles, and its 12-year-old may be the best of them all. It has a heather honey flavoring and a great nose. At a medium price point, Highland Park's 12-year-old is nothing but inviting. Expect licorice and sweeter notes with a burnt, peaty, almost salty aftertaste when you drink it. You should drink it neat to fully appreciate the drink's sherried fruits and candied honey flavors. The next whiskey on our list of 7 best whiskies is Lagavulin 16 Any Single Malt Whiskey. Are you a refined and knowledgeable peaty whiskey connoisseur? You can't help but admire Lagavulin. It is a peaty single malt whiskey that has been aged in ex-bourbon oak barrels for at least 16 years. It is made in Scotland and has a distinctively smoky aroma. The color of Lagavulin is amber mahogany. It smells like smoke, seaweed, and sea, with sweet undertones. The flavors blend perfectly, making it an unforgettable whiskey. It is not a whiskey for beginners and offers excellent value for your money. Altmore Scotch Whisky 12 Any Single Malt is the next whiskey on our list. The whiskies are produced in an area called the Foggy Moss. It's crystal clear, with gleaming golden reflections. It has the scent of wild herbs, apple, musk, and pear. It has a lively, creamy flavor with floral notes that caress the palate. It's sweet, contains lemon, vanilla, a distinct creaminess, and a very refined smoke note. The fifth whiskey on our list of 7 best whiskies is Laphroaig 10-year-old Islay Single Malt Scotch Whiskey. Laphroaig has become iconic for its distinct and divisive taste, made from malted barley that has been cold smoked and then dried over a peat fire. Expect to find vaguely herbaceous, saline notes of seaweed mixed in with the robust smokiness, while aging in ex-bourbon barrels lends the spirit an appealing sweetness. Compared to others, this whiskey is not expensive. It costs $61. You should give it a try. Next is Johnnie Walker, a popular choice among whiskey novices and experts alike, consistently takes the top spot for its unrivaled spirits. It's the world's most widely distributed brand of Scotch, so it'll be a hit no matter what occasion you serve it. The Blue Label is the brand's most prestigious blended whiskey, with a higher price tag that deserves the flavors to come. Blue Label is a smooth whiskey, so while drinking it neat, enjoy flavors like hazelnut, toasted oak, sandalwood, and tobacco. The last whiskey on our list of 7 best whiskies is Glenmorangie. You can't go wrong with a bottle of Glenmorangie. The company knows what works and sticks to it. The distillery's successful recipe hasn't changed much in 2 centuries and is a consistent winner. Its high price reflects the efforts and results of a truly exceptional drink. The two more potent flavors that will hit you before taking a sip are cinnamon and cumin. It has a pleasant aroma with a strong emphasis on sweet notes. Along with the sweetness, you'll get hints of leather, Christmas cake, ginger, and chocolate. Let us know what you think of this review in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.